So here, what we have, given that a bag has 5 blue and 15 red balls. So let us draw, say, hypothetically, we have a bag with 5 blue balls and 15 red balls. So total balls, we have 20 balls, right? Now we have to find out the probability that none of the frozen ball is blue. So that means probability all balls are red. So 3 balls will be selected out of 15 red balls. So 15C3 by 20C3. That should be the answer. So if we solve it, what do we get? We get 15 factorial by 3 factorial into 12 factorial by 20 factorial by 17 factorial into 3 factorial. So like if we simplify it, we will get 95 1 by 228, which is option number B. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Number 5, which is here you are given that let y be a continuous random variable such that the probability of y greater than 0 is 1, and expectation of y is equals to 1. So for probability this is equals to fifth quartile of the probability distribution of the random variable, then which of the following statement is always correct? Okay. Now, for this, what we're gonna do is, first of all, let us write down the conditions given. So basically, y follows uniform distribution with 0, 2, and y follows exponent of 1, right? So from here, we can understand this is the given condition. Now, from this given condition, we have f of y of j p is equals to y. Now, if we take the value here as 0.75, so this is 0.75 will give us 0.75, right? So now you can see that if we use the condition, so what is fyy of y? It is y minus 0 by 2 minus 0 is y by 2. So if you put it here, so from here we have I of 0.75 by 2 is 0.75. So from here we have the value is 1.5. 1.5, so if you look at the option, it is given greater than equals to 5, not, it's cancelled. Greater than equals to 4 is also cancelled. But okay, less than 2 can be a possibility, but equals to 2 is again. Let's check for 0.25, right? Okay, no, this we cannot cancel it right now because it's for 0.25. So we have to check for 0.25 as well. So by same logic, if I check for the 0.25, then we have 0.25 by 2, which is 0.25. So epsilon of 0.25 is 0.5. So yes, this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So the correct answer is B, which is the correct option. Okay.